nothing changes.
Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to the channel. Today is going to be one of those personal videos. As you guys know, we are currently moving, having a house built. It's over my shoulder and it is almost done. We're doing an inspection today, so I want to take you guys inside and show you a pre-finished tour, and then we'll of course do one more once we're all moved in. So let's go check it out. All right, so this is a 2-story in Florida. Not as many of these, but quite a bit. You guys can see. It's actually a 3-car garage, but one has a window because that's just going to be our inventory and storage, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. So let's walk in. Stonework, this little glass door that we got. So we'll take a stroll inside. So when you come in, excuse all the dust and everything, they're still building. We have like a little powder room. There's still a lot of, you know, work to do. It's our floors. Kind of an interesting floor pattern that we got. And then it opens up to the kitchen. Again, still quite a bit to do. But that's kind of the main room. And then it circles around. That'll go up, and then this, they have it in the model like a pool table here. We're not really sure what we're gonna do with this room just yet. This will be Kate's office downstairs. Some French doors. Now, originally I was gonna take this office, but because it's downstairs with the wood, it's downstairs where like lawnmowers go by and people, you know, watching TV, the dogs running around. For my acoustics in my video, I didn't think it was in my best interest to take this room, so I took one upstairs. So there we go. Okay, so then we can, again, that kind of just circles around, but then we can take this upstairs. So this house is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3,300 square feet. So when you hit the top of the steps, this will be my office. It's obviously one of the bedrooms, but I figured for acoustics and sound, the carpet's better, and I'm gonna put some soundproofing on the walls, backdrop, green screen, recording, podcast, everything. And I get a 2nd-story view out to the pond. We back up to a pond here. There's alligators in there. No kidding, there really is alligators in there. So I'll have a view out. All right. So also at the top of these steps is what is considered our bonus room. This will be like the at-night, big sectional here. Probably gonna put our bar and high top tables over here. And then, you know, entertainment center, TV, coffee table, some end tables. So this will be like a TV watching room / have the bar and high top up there so we can have a drink, make drinks up here. If people are up here watching TV, we can make drinks. So I'll have a mini fridge in the corner, something like that. Okay, then you head down the hallway, and guest room 1 is our smaller guest room, obviously for guests. Guest bathroom. Our 2nd guest room, so they actually share that bathroom. This one's a little bit bigger. This looks out onto the main street, which there's a lot of construction going on, a lot of houses being built. Okay, and then down at the end is the laundry room. They put in washer and dryers. We may or may not get different ones. I don't know. These are brand new, so. There's our internet and cable wiring. But yeah, they just give you these. I mean, they're fine. We don't really need nothing crazy, but could get newer ones. I don't know, we'll see. And then into this one in the corner is our master, which I love because I love our master being upstairs away from everything. Tray ceilings, little nook area, walk-in closet, pretty big. And then obviously our shower, which is the size of the entire wall, has 1, 2, 3 heads. Could have like an entire party in here, basically. And then the rest of the bathroom, of course. Granite, pretty standard in these. Bronze or polished, whatever it is. Faucets, a little towel cabinet in there, I think is towel cabinet. Yep, little towel cabinet. Haven't even looked at half this stuff. There are no ceiling fans because they give you the recessed lighting, but we have fans on order, so we'll have all new fans put in. Upgrades, we paid a lot for upgrades. The floors were all upgrades. The fans, we bought on our own. Carpet, we got a little nicer carpet. One upgrade that is weird, so this is, of course, the granite. One upgrade that is weird expensive that I had no idea is these handrails. Of course, the wood didn't help with the wood prices being up, but these handrails that you can see with all the iron and all the stain, these were $7,800 to do that, and those two pieces down there with this handrail. $7,800, so pretty crazy amount of money on handrails. And then, of course, we come back down and then back into the kitchen. Of course, the countertops. Soft close, I highly recommend if you get these cabinets, get soft close. You can slam them. They don't slam. The fridge. 10-year warranty on this fridge too. So it's big. We don't cook a ton at home, but we do a little bit. So it's nice to have this size. And then also to have, you know, the pull-out freezer drawers. So a lot of room in there. And then the whole house is smart house, of course, there. And when you come over to here, the ring, everything is all touchscreen and voice activated. And then we also paid for the outside porch, which typically you just get a slab, which is a couple grand, but if you put the whole porch, it's 14,000, at least in this neighborhood. So, yep. And then I think our inspector's out in the garage, but we'll go take a look out in the garage and see what we can see. So like I said, this is a 3-car garage. I'll show you from the corner here in a second. So 2 cars there, and then this 3rd car behind the window, this is where we'll have all of our business and inventory here as storage for shipping. We'll come out here, grab it, ship everything, and good. People always ask about the heat and humidity in Florida. It's never affected my inventory, never had a problem. We get, this neighborhood gets bug treatments, so spray. So there should be no kind of issues with it being here. Also, I'll have like the golf cart parked like back here in the corner or something. We're about to go buy a golf cart here in a few minutes, actually. All right, so that's just a quick look around the house. There's obviously more, but until we're finished and moved in and ready to go, I will show you guys more then. So appreciate you watching. Welcome to the new house. A couple more days, week and a few days, and we'll be moved in. See you guys there. All right, you guys, so this is the second part of the video that I promised you, and this is the reason that we built in this neighborhood. So in our neighborhood, if you're not familiar with this channel or you haven't followed me, is an actual lagoon. And when you come in, this is what you see. And so this was the first one in this in the country, built by Metro Epperson, called the Crystal Lagoons. Has a bar, you can swim up, has the entire beach. You walk in over there and it's actually a beach and stuff. So this is actually in our neighborhood. And then I'll take you up and show you another view from the other side. So now I'm standing up on the overpass, and this is the lagoon from the other side. So obviously I was standing over there when I was videoing a minute ago, and they've got like a kiddie slide, they've got like a full adult slide, there's a restaurant, bar, everything. This is all in our neighborhood, which is right there. That's our neighborhood. Obviously I'm just parked there, but that's our entryway sign, bridge over. And then they have a little sign here, connected city. So best in class teaching. This area's got the best schools, distance learning, advancement. curriculum, all that stuff. They show the community. We have dog parks, running trails. They do yoga classes, you know, parks for the kids, gated community, the lagoon, clearly the highlight of this. And then they have a lagoon life map with everything that's in here. So you can see what's up with the lagoon. And that's where we'll be living and moving in just a few days. Part of the reason for this video is a lot of people asked like an update on knowing that I was moving and I've been living in a hotel for 5.5 months or whatever, and how close we were getting and if they could see it and all. So I just wanted to do kind of an update video on that. I don't do a lot of personal videos on this channel, very rarely, but this is kind of, you know, like a big step and a big part in our lives, and a big part of this channel has been sharing with you guys and what we do and what you guys do. I share with you know, you guys' ups and downs and parts of life I get to read from your emails and messages and comments. So it's cool to kind of, you know, hear about your stuff and also to share a little bit of what I have going on. It's not often that I get to do these personal videos, so we'll try to do some more on this channel more often. I know a lot of you appreciate it, like it, and it's fun to do. Also, I want to show you guys a little bit of, you know, if you put your mind to it and you work hard and you run your own business, work for yourself and dream a little bit, that you can get nice things and you can do things for yourself that are positive and have a life that you actually want to have. Because some people say, is it possible? Can you actually do this reselling thing full time? Can you make money? Can you be successful? Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying you have to, you know, do the things that I'm doing, and, you know, you don't have to be on YouTube or social media. You could spend all that time reselling and still make enough money to pick a neighborhood you want to live in, to give your, you know, potentially your kids a life. Imagine if your kids lived in this neighborhood and could come to this lagoon and hang out, make friends, you know, drive the golf carts down, things like that. So it is possible with or without social media. Social media is a big part, and if you can do it, great. If you can't, just focus on the reselling, and you'll be able to make money. You'll be able to do it. Obviously, clearly, I'm sitting here doing it every day. This is all I do. I mean, I buy and sell, I buy and sell, I buy and sell, I make social media stuff. So hopefully you guys see what's possible, and I appreciate you watching. As always, enjoy the videos, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and until next time, I'll see you guys then.